Camille Baker. I'm a PhD student at the SMARTlab Media Institute, and I'm looking at mobile performance. And the meta concepts I'm using for my project involve looking at the qualities and sensations of liveness and presence in mobile performance projects, and if they exist or if they're anything different from internet-based performance projects. And from this metaphor, I'm creating a participatory performance installation or series of performance installations that play with this idea of the mobile network and presence. Well, there's 3 stages of the project, and I will go through them. But I want to talk about the metaphor that guides the project. And the metaphor is the idea, if you could share your dreams, your physical embodied dreams when you wake up in the morning with your friends, family, lovers, etc., how could you do that? And I'm trying to create a simulation of that kind of experience or exchange. The idea being, if I could wake up and exchange my dream with someone telepathically and share the physical and visual elements of that dream, how could I do that? And maybe how could I collaborate with someone else and expand or explore the dream? The simulation is creating a connection between mobile phones, but capturing and sharing visual or video embodied experiences through the phones, and also incorporating biofeedback sensors that capture breath, pulse, skin conductance, and muscle activity to also share the perceptions of the body. So the first stage is I've been conducting many workshops with various people, and I'm trying to find mostly non-trained performers to make it a truly everybody kind of experience, and asking them to bring their own video phones or to use mine, and we do a guided visualization. And in the guided visualization, I ask people to tap into what they're feeling, their experiences, their sensations, hold on to those, and then use the phone to try to explore them visually and non-verbally, non-textually. Use the phone in a different way than it's normally used, and as a mechanism to share these embodied experiences. So I'm using the media from these workshops that will then be used in the installation later on. And some of the things that are coming out are really quite beautiful and quite interesting. So these go into a database, and stage 2, which is funded by BBC R&D and is the Mindtouch side of the project, involves exploring the body data a little bit more deeply and understanding it somewhat, but then also having it, creating our own custom software on the mobile phones to receive the data and to not interpret or analyze, but to use the data to then trigger some other events. And those other events are also involving custom software, which involves accessing the data or the videos from the database and bringing those into the phone, creating something that acts like a VJ in a nightclub, where it mixes and affects the video and then can send it back out to other users. So that's stage 2, is just really looking at using the body data to make something else happen, to trigger something else in the network. Stage 3 is I'm conducting various events, or I will be staging various events whereby we explore using performers using the phones and biosensors, where they're wearing, different people can wear the body sensors, and those will trigger the media as explained before, and people in the audience can also trigger or change, and it can be a collaged exchange or communication. So the idea of being able to communicate the body data and change the visuals and have someone else respond as a conversation or a collaboration. So it's got this high level of, goes back to a high level concept of maybe collective consciousness or telepathic exchange, and playing with these ideas and the dream sensations and visuals. So it's basically simulating this kind of exchange and play and exploration of nonverbal experiences, and using the technology available to do so. So that's the overarching plan.